What's going on, pro cutters? Well, unfortunately for me anyway, today has not gone to plan. I had the footers dug, I had the steel put in. I was supposed to get concrete today, and I was going to need a pump truck for the concrete to get to the footers. And unfortunately, you can see right here where there's a nice little rut there and a nice little rut there. The truck pulling the pump trailer made it that far up the driveway, lost traction, and started rolling backwards. And when they did, the pump trailer had no brakes. And so here's where some kind of fluid starts leaking here. So they proceed to come down and pick up speed, at which point the pump trailer overturns onto its side right here, losing a bunch of oil and hydro fluid in my driveway. Don't tell the EPA. So subsequently, we had to cancel the concrete delivery. Can't get concrete back out here until Monday at 1 p.m. now because everybody's so backed up busy. I had to pay a friend of mine, and thank God he had somebody that was available. Ramsey's Excavating, shout out to you guys. We're able to send Ronnie over here with the pretty good sized track hoe, and we flipped the concrete pump back upright. And I've taken some video and I'm going to show you guys that now. But the really bad thing about all this is not being able to get concrete again until Monday now. So I'm backed up that many days, but it's supposed to start raining on Saturday through Wednesday. So there's a good possibility my footers are going to get washed out before I even have a chance to put concrete in them. Stay posted. I'll let you know what's going on. Yeah, see, you don't have four-wheel drive.
Hold your brakes, Devin. We got him scotched up front and back here. If you want to tug on it, see if you can get it out. That thing's tight, man, for some reason. What it is, it just squished it in there.
That's going to let it down nice and easy. So once it gets ready to go, it's going to go. And it'll be able to set right down on that chain. That'll stop it from slamming down in theory.
That thing is, I've seen this 2 or 3 times.
Ooh, look at that. See, that chain just gave it a controlled landing. And now it's sitting in that ditch, so it's not going anywhere.
It's come down on it. I don't think I can. The bolt went around the wrong side of it. Oh, okay. You see what I'm saying? You want to hook the other chain up just in case, or you good? It ain't bothering me now. Worst case scenario, it just hits the blade. You ain't gonna dent that tongue. You ain't gonna dent that tongue. That's my sweetheart. That's my sweetie. He's got it. That's my money going down the hill. Oh! We got it. We got it. Yep. Off this side. Okay. Pressure off of it. What? Take pressure off of it, make sure the scotch is going to hold. Is the scotch good over there? Yeah. We'll get fixed. We'll get fixed.
Now you know why I called Ramsey. And I'm thankful he sent Ronnie, because Ronnie's the man. Thanks so much for checking in and watching my videos and supporting me, Miss Pro Cut, and Donovan. We appreciate you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.